In this project, we aim to develop a practical application to serve the people. So the background of this project is that the rubbish is what people are creating every day, and how can we collect the rubbish fast without polluting the environment, and how can we dispatch the trucks to collect the rubbish, and which road will be the best for those trucks. So our based on those principles, our project will focus on those services. And this project uh, was and we also use this project to apply to the national uh, project for students. And this project was basically designed with the C Sharp in Visual Studio 2008 platform and ArcGIS um, Engine 9.3 version. And this one here shows our interface for the whole program. As we could see, there is a toolbar here, and also there are some functionalities, which is associated with the creation of the form. And also here we incorporate the network analysis. And also, like here, this TOCC control is used to contain the contents of the maps. And there are three tabs here, and the first one is used to contain the maps, and the second one uh, is used to generate the the second one is used to output our maps into a file document, and the last one is gonna uh, contain the result for the network analysis. For the toolbar here, we add these three functionalities. And the first one is to record the numbers of the rubbish. Like you can record the total amount, and you can also record the rubbish by each category. And then finally, you're gonna output those statistics by uh, by a PDF file. And this one is used to do the path analysis. And the first one is to see the influence zone of the uh, disposal site. And the second one is used to see uh, the influence zone of the transfer zone of the transfer site. And the last one is trying to find the shortest path for the truck. Here we just output some maps. And the first one is we calculate the rubbish amount by the dot by the dot density. And the second one is to use single value to represent the amount of the rubbish. And the last one is trying to use uh, the bar chart to to represent the uh, the the amount of the rubbish. And let's go and see functionalities here. Those are the functions that we developed within this um, program. We use several basic interfaces and classes, and like all those functions. Let me run this program. add the map documentation into this. Kind of slow. And this is our map for analysis. But here there are about more than 10 layers here. And let's have a try. Let's do the path analysis as an example. So the first one is doing the influsion zone of the transport of the disposing site. And the basic idea for this is that once you click, a dialog will jump out, and when you select one of the uh, disposal sites, and it will uh, show up once. And when you click OK, it will highlight the the rubbish point, which are within a distance of 1,000 meters of this disposal site. We can also put this distance as an option for the users. And also we can do the we can also do the outputting the maps. Like we can use the dot density. Like if we click this dot density functionality, it will create a new layer. So means one dot equals 0.2 amount of rubbish. And once we click the uh, second tab here, you will automatically output a map for this whole map. Will output a file documentation for the whole map. And here we have all the necessary elements in the map, like the title and the north navigation, and also the legend here, and the name, the production of the date, and also the field bar. And the last one that I want to show is like the third tab for um, our program is the network analysis. So this is the result that we do network analysis.